Good evening, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, in this video, I will tell you how to do Forex trading in 2020. So first of all, before going to the video, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can also get the Forex trading analysis and the updates from my side. Okay, guys, now let's discuss some points with you. So first of all, I am going to talk about the signal service. So guys, there are a lot of signal providers in the market, and I'm also one of them. Like for example, let's talk about the one of the signal that I have given on New Zealand USD. Like I was bearish on New Zealand USD from 064211 and 064069 was the target price, and you can see that we have already the drop on New Zealand USD. So I'm giving the Forex trading signal service right from 2015. And so guys, one thing that I want to highlight about the newcomers who are just new to the trading market. So guys, you can learn from the signal service. I'm not saying that even when you purchase the signals from me, you can purchase the signals from anyone which you like. But note that whenever you get the report in the form of signals in the morning, or whenever your signal provider send you the signals, you have to check them. I mean, how to check those signals? You should check them that either these signals are giving on the basis of support, resistance. Like for example, we have a support here. Either it has given us a buy signal from here, or maybe we have a resistance at that level. So either the signal provider has provided us with a sell position from that area. So you need to highlight these things. You need to do your homework a little bit, so that you should come to know that how signal providers are doing their homework, and you should note down that points. So for example, let's talk about the drop today. So if you look at here, we had a resistance here, but the market just went down before that resistance, and that was expected today that New Zealand USD can have a drop, and it has already went down. So the first point that I'm talking about, learn from the signal service provider, that how he is able to give the signals. Now for example, let me give you one clue here. Now if you look at this candle, this candle makes a hammer, and that hammer was prepared after the downward trend. Look at the previous trend. The previous trend was downward. The hammer appeared, and look at the tail of the hammer. Now if you look at the tail of the hammer, the tail was so high. What happened after that? The market moved up. So that was 100% chance almost that the market will go into another direction, because the hammer was failed to get the lot of sellers in the market. It opened from here, but it was closed here. It was not able to close here. It closed above. That means that the buyers come into the market, and then later on the market has went up. So this is the one of the point that I have highlighted, and the second point that I have highlighted about the support and resistance. So in this way, you can learn from the signal provider that how he is giving you the signals. Okay, now let's talk about the another website that I'm going to tell you about is babypips.com. This is a very good website for the beginners. So if you go to the education section here, you can find a lot of things here. They will guide you about the forex market. You can find the articles here. So you need to study this whole website, and when you go to the trading market education, and then you should they have some tools also in the market, and you can, like pips value evaluator. So these are the basic questions that our normal traders have there in their mind. So you can clear your basic questions from babypips.com. So we have a short time in this video, so I'm not going to explain further about the babypips.com, but however, that was for your guidance, that the basic traders must consult the babypips.com for their guidance. Okay, now the third point that I'm going to highlight is the learning about the money management. So guys, I'm giving the signals from 2015, and I have a lot of sales for my services, and I have learned a lot from providing the signals and providing the trading system and providing the coaching. Especially, you know that I do have a coaching session with the clients who pay me for my services. I teach them on Skype, and I also teach them that how I prepare the signals report. So both are the different services. So guys, during the Skype sessions, I have learned that people have no idea idea about the money management. So guys, in the money management, I will simply say that you should not risk more than 1 to 3% on of your account on a single trade. You should, or in other words, I can say that if there is, you cannot say that every day is a bad day in the forex market. So for example, let's say today if you have losses, so maybe it's not possible that tomorrow again you are going to be into losses. You can come up with a better approach. So how to do with this? You should learn money management. So first of all guys, most of the traders that I have seen, they start the trading account with $300, $500. That's what are not a recommended account size. So guys, I should recommend that you should have at least $5,000 or $10,000. I have traders with me who have worked up to $75,000 account and even 100K, $100,000 account. So you should have a good account size. So at least you should manage to start trading with a $5,000 live account, so that you can at least have some good trading money at your hand when you have some decent profits at your hand. Okay guys, the next thing that I'm going to talk about is this, that what to do. You should never go live before the demo practice. So what you need to do is this: at least practice on a demo account for at least 3 months. So one question arises here to from at which with which money we should go with a demo account. So for example, let's say if you are only able to invest $5,000 in the forex market, then you should go with the $5,000 account, not a $10,000 account, and then go live with the after the 3 month practice. So in this way you will come to know about the psychology of trading and become a day trader. I am not talking about the scalping. So what scalping means, that if you are trading the 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, 15 minutes and 30 minutes, this is not a reliable time frame. So guys, always note that the professional traders start from 1 hour, and for day trading they consult up to the daily chart, and even sometimes they consult the weekly chart for the day trading when we talk about the things that are going to happen in the middle of the week. So be careful with this. Learn your trading psychology. Become a day trader, not a scalper, and treat it like a business. Do not do this thing with the market that you are just going to make money within a 1 day, and on the second day you are going to lose the money. Do not put the greed in this market. If you will greed in this market, then definitely you are not going to stay here for the long time. Okay guys, I have also talked about the risk management. That's a very important point, that 50 pips should be the stop loss in case if your trade goes against you. So you should not let your account blow. So most of the traders who do this mistake, they just hope that this trade is going to clear in the next week, or maybe on the next week. So this is not going to happen in the forex market. Please be realistic that this is the forex market and this is very crazy market. It can eat your money. So be careful with this. If your trade goes against you, then maximum stop loss should be the 50 pips. But in case if you are using a very high account, then you can test it up to 100 or 80 pips stop loss. Otherwise, do not risk more than this. And other formula, that do not risk more than 1 to 3% of your account size in the single trade. At last, I'm going to talk about the another website that is called Investing.com. So guys, you should have at least have a look on the articles. Like they talk about if you go to the analysis and you click Forex, and then you need to learn, you need to read, just make the habit to learn these things, that you should at least have a look on the articles that are published on a daily basis on Investing.com. They are quite helpful. For example, that chart of the day, collapsing yen strains against critical supply demand boundary. So you need to read this article. Great Britain pound AUD. Now this article is saying about Great Britain pound AUD. So those traders who are dealing with that pair, they will come to know about that, what's going on. So these are quite professionals. They will help you understand that what market start. Like for example, they are talking about USD JPY. So be careful that you need to read this article and then trade your plan your trades accordingly. They will be able to help you in your trading decisions. So guys, I hope that you will follow all these techniques in the 2020, because nowadays if we talk about the market is a bit slow due to the holidays. But I hope that you people will come to start these strategies and to follow these points in the next coming days. So be careful with this, and go guys. Moreover, if you want to help from my side, then what I can do, you know that I have a trading system. You can see there are two red boundaries on the chart. When the market comes into the top red boundary, like if we talk about here, then it drops from that level. When it goes into the lower blue or red boundary, then the market moves up. So guys, these are the basically points. Like for example, it went into the lower red boundary. After that, it starts to move up. So you should have at least one tool that should be able to help you with your trading. So guys, this tool is a must, and I will say that all of your members should, who are watching this video, they must have this tool with their trading so that it can help you. And if you will use this tool on higher time frames, then it will definitely be going to give you a very good results. And moreover guys, I provide the signals in the form of report. You can see the signals are provided in the report form, like early in the morning. So if you want to join that signal service, and if you are interested in Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare this signals report, because now I have a lot of experience preparing this signals report. I am preparing this signal report from last 4 years, and I have a very good results with, and I have a very satisfied customers at my end. So guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare the signals report, this signals report is based on a trick that I have learned in the 4 years. So if you want to learn this trick, and if you're interested in getting the trading system, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you guys want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexwebs.com. Or guys, if you have any other questions that are even big on the beginner nature, you can simply write to me, and I always try my best to reply to every email that I received at my end, and hopefully you will get the answer from my side. And hopefully, I hope that you people are going to follow this strategy in 2020, and even in the coming December, you will be able to you find these things very profitable and very useful. So guys, just follow the methods that I have explained to you in this video, and then check your trading, that you will come to know that the results will be quite fruitful. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like my videos, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.